What if one drone could outfly, outlast, and outwork the competition? Meet the Delta Black Raider 330, a next-generation unmanned system built like a true aerial pickup truck. This Group 3 UAS delivers Group 4 class performance with hybrid electric power, true VTOL, and extreme short takeoff capability, meaning no runways, no limits. With over 28 hours of endurance, a 1,600 nautical mile range, and a 22,000-foot ceiling, it dominates vast operational spaces. Its modular design carries over 100 pounds of ISR sensors, comms gear, or mission payloads. Reliable, flexible, and battle-ready, the Raider 330 redefines unmanned endurance. What if a micro-drone could fly like a fighter jet? Meet the Systems AXS MU-1, a next-generation micro-UAV built like a true aerial pickup truck. This compact beast, just 40 by 40 centimeters, hits speeds of 200 kilometers per hour, flies 20 kilometers, and carries up to 1.5 kilograms with precision. Its omnidirectional propulsion gives full control over roll, pitch, and yaw, enabling instant direction changes, hovering, and even inverted flight. With 32 attachment points, AI modules, and flexible payload options, it adapts to any mission. Autonomous, FPV-ready, and battle-smart, the AXS MU-1 redefines tactical drone dominance. What if a robot could fight, resupply, and dominate the battlefield? Meet the TRX Robotic Combat Vehicle, a next-generation unmanned ground powerhouse built like a true battlefield pickup truck. Developed by General Dynamics for the U.S. Army, this hybrid electric beast carries payloads equal to its own weight without sacrificing mobility. From weapons and sensors to electronic warfare and resupply modules, TRX adapts to any mission. Its AI-enhanced navigation conquers rough terrain, while exportable power fuels onboard systems. Designed for reconnaissance, fire support, counter-drone ops, and logistics, TRX isn't the future of warfare. It's already here. What if a truck was built to dominate deserts and mountains alike? Meet the Tatra Desert Master, a next-generation off-road military beast built like a true battlefield pickup truck. Engineered to conquer deserts, mountains, and terrain where ordinary trucks surrender, it features Tatra's legendary central backbone chassis and independent swinging half-axles for unmatched traction and stability. From troop transport and logistics to command centers and weapons platforms, the Desert Master adapts to any mission. Available in configurations from 4x4 to massive multi-axle rigs, it thrives in extreme heat while hauling heavy loads. Tough, reliable, unstoppable. This is off-road warfare perfected. What if a robot could think, see, and fight like a soldier? Meet the Scout AI Nomad, a next-generation unmanned ground vehicle built like a true autonomous pickup truck. Powered by the Fury AI autonomy stack, Nomad operates beyond line of sight, navigating rough terrain, following teammates, and completing missions without direct human control. Using a camera-only system with advanced vision, language, and action reasoning, it delivers human-like judgment in real time. Compact, lightweight, and low signature, it carries reconnaissance tools, logistics gear, or mission payloads. Designed for light tactical ops, Nomad scouts ahead, resupplies units, and keeps soldiers out of danger. The future of ground combat is here. What if a helicopter could fly missions without a pilot? Meet the Leonardo Proteus, a next-generation autonomous rotorcraft built like a true naval pickup truck. Developed under the UK's Uncrewed Aviation Program, Proteus is based on a modified AW09 airframe, weighing 3 tons and carrying up to 1,000 kilograms of mission payloads. From sonar and radar to anti-submarine sensors and logistics gear, it adapts to every maritime mission. Its AI-enhanced autonomy and advanced composites enable long-endurance, pilot-free operations. Having completed its first autonomous flight, Proteus proves large unmanned rotorcraft are real. Smarter, safer, unstoppable. This is the future of naval aviation. What if a robot could hunt mines deep under the sea? Meet the STM Neta 300, a next-generation autonomous underwater vehicle built like a true naval pickup truck. Developed by Turkey's STM, this compact powerhouse dives to 300 meters and operates up to 24 hours non-stop. Deployed by just 2 operators from almost any vessel, it brings serious capability in a small package. With advanced side-scan sonar and optional synthetic aperture sonar, it delivers precise mine detection and underwater mapping. From reconnaissance and surveillance to anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue, Neta 300 adapts to every mission. Smart, stealthy, and sea-ready. This is the future of underwater warfare. What if one drone could change the face of modern warfare? Meet the Bayraktar TB2, the unmanned combat aircraft that redefined battlefield dominance. With over 1 million operational flight hours, this medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV has proven its power in real combat. Featuring a 12-meter wingspan, up to 150 kilograms of payload, and more than 27 hours of endurance, the TB2 delivers unmatched persistence. It carries electro-optical and infrared sensors, laser designators, and precision munitions like MAM-C and MAM-L for deadly accuracy. With fully automated takeoff and landing and a ceiling above 25,000 feet, the TB2 combines reliability, precision, and endurance. Proven, powerful, game-changing.